Well, good afternoon and welcome to my DIY program. So here I am. I am Laurence Llewelyn Paddon. I've got my designer shirt on and I'm going to give you some DIY skills this afternoon. Now, unfortunately, we have to start on a slightly negative note. We've had a complaining email. Now, it's been lovely having you join me in my front room for various devotionals, but someone said they're distracted by this picture here because it's a bit squiffy. So today, my first lesson is going to be how to correct a squiffy picture. Squiffy, that's a technical term. So you need one simple tool, a crosshead screwdriver, and when you're my age, a set of glasses. So let's take a close look at our picture. Yes, this picture of me drinking a coconut in India, freshly cut from the tree, that coconut. And yeah, as I said, if you get any emails that are slightly negative, it's really important that we don't mention who are the people that send those emails in. So let's get this sorted. So here we go. We have the picture off of the wall. Oh, Liz, it's a bit dusty, this one. So yes, I think that's straight now. So now we've got to get it back on the wall. So, like I say, if you get a complaining email, it's really important that you never mention that person's name. So let's put these two screws back in our wall. So like I say, if you get an email that's slightly negative, it's really important that you don't name the person that sent that email in. So there we go. There's no more squiffiness in our picture. The job is done. Well, it's been lovely having you join me here on my new DIY channel with me, Laurence Llewelyn Paddon. And I'm open to receiving other emails where I can give you tips and advice for DIY around your house during this lockdown period. So thank you for all those that have contributed to today's DIY tips. That's you, Sylvia Babcock.